In this video, I'll guide you through how to navigate a document in LibreOffice. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your LibreOffice skills, I've got you covered. Navigating through a document efficiently can significantly enhance your productivity and make your work much smoother. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. LibreOffice is a versatile and free office suite that many people use as an alternative to other office software. Once you have LibreOffice installed, simply locate the application icon on your desktop or in your applications folder and double-click to open it. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily download it from the official LibreOffice website. Once you've opened the LibreOffice, the next step is to click on the Writer document. Writer is LibreOffice's word processor, similar to Microsoft Word, and it's the tool you'll use for creating text-heavy documents. When you open LibreOffice, you should see a start screen with several options for different types of documents. Click on Writer document to launch a new text document. Now that you're inside a Writer document, let's explore how to navigate using the tabs at the top of the screen. These tabs are crucial as they contain all the functionalities you'll need to manage and edit your document. Starting from the left, you'll see the File tab. This is where you can open, save, and print your documents. It's your go-to tab for managing the overall document. Next is the Edit tab. This is where you'll find options to undo changes, cut, copy, and paste text, and other basic editing functions. Moving along, you'll find the View tab. This tab allows you to change the way your document is displayed. You can zoom in or out, switch to full screen mode, or show or hide various toolbars. Then there's the Insert tab. This tab is perfect for adding elements into your document such as images, charts, or tables. Following that is the Format tab, which helps you change the appearance of your text and paragraphs. It's where you can adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to make your document look exactly how you want it. The Styles tab is next. It's a powerful feature in LibreOffice that lets you apply consistent formatting throughout your document with ease. If you're working with tables, the Table tab will be your best friend, providing all the options to insert and modify tables. Next up, the Form tab is used primarily for creating forms within your document, which can be handy for surveys or other data collection needs. The Tools tab offers a variety of utilities, including spell check and word count features, which are essential for creating polished documents. Finally, you have the Window and Help tabs. The Window tab helps you manage multiple open documents, while the Help tab offers access to LibreOffice's comprehensive help resources, perfect for when you need more detailed guidance. And that's a quick overview of how to navigate documents in LibreOffice. With these tips, you should be able to work more efficiently within your Writer documents. Feel free to pause and replay sections of this video as needed, and don't hesitate to explore each tab further on your own to discover even more features. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!